Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to Learning Zone. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா 5th standard science term 2 lesson 1 food. இந்த லெசனோட book back evaluation இருக்கக்கூடிய question and answers பார்க்க போறோம். ஆல்ரெடி 1 mark questions பார்த்துட்டோம். Roman letter 5 answer briefly. First question, define deficiency disease. இந்த questionோட answer page number 65 பாருங்க. Types of diseaseல ஒரு 4 diseases கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது 4th disease வந்து deficiency diseases. இதுல second lineல இருந்து பாருங்க. Deficiency in one or more of the nutrients causes various diseases. These are called deficiency diseases. இதுதான் இந்த கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர். Deficiency in one or more of the nutrients causes various diseases. These are called deficiency disease. The second question, what is known as balanced diet? கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர் வந்து பேஜ் நம்பர் 66ல இருக்கு. அதுல வந்து balanced diet அப்படின்னு ஒரு paragraph இருக்கு. அதுல செகண்ட் லைன் பாருங்க. Our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Such a diet is called balanced diet. Third question, how can we prevent obesity? Page number 63. அதுல obesity அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஹெட்டிங் இருக்கு. அதுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹெட்டிங் வந்து prevention. அதுல பாருங்க. In order to avoid obesity and overweight, you need to do the following. First one, avoid fast foods, fried items and meat with more fat. Eat fruits and vegetables, legumes, whole grains and nuts. Do regular physical exercises. Don't play games in computer and mobile phones. Have proper sleep time. Fourth question, what should we do in case of minor burn? The question can answer page number 68. Lastல பாருங்க, in case of minor burns, the burn area should be held under cool running water for some time and proper medical treatment should be given. Any blister if formed should not be pricked. Next question, define spoilage of food. Page number 59. Last பாருங்க. The change in the normal state of the food is called spoilage of food. Sixth question, what is the purpose of food preservation? Page number 62. The last one பாருங்க. To retain the color, taste and nutritive value of the food, to make food available throughout the year, to prevent the growth of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in the food items, to reduce the wastage of food materials. Preserving food not only protects our health but also makes food available to the people you need it. Roman letter 6, answering in detail. Write about food preservation methods. Page number 61 பாருங்க. Food preservation methods நீ ஒரு paragraph இருக்கு பாருங்க. அது கீழே. Drying. It is the removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Example, grains. Addition of salt removes the water from the food. Example, fish pickles. Addition of sugar. It dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Example, jam, fruit juices. Next page la பாருங்க. Freezing. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Example, fruit, vegetables. Boiling. It kills the microorganisms. Example, milk, water. Canning and bottling. Food is packed in airtight cans so that germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder. Next, addition of chemical preservatives stop the growth of microorganisms. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Vinegar is added with pickles. இதுதான் இந்த கொஸ்டினோட ஆன்சர். Second detailed question. Explain the different types of food. Page number 66 பாருங்க. Last one. Under the balanced diet பாருங்க. Some major food items are given in the table below. Major food items: carbohydrates, sources, honey, sugarcane, fruits, whole grains, vegetables, rice. Proteins: sources, legumes, pulses, nuts, soya bean, green leafy vegetables, fish, egg and milk. Fats: sources, egg yolk, saturated oil and meat. Third detailed question. Write about kitchen safety. Page number 67 and 68. 67 la last பாருங்க. Gas catches fire easily. So we need to be careful while handling cylinders. Keep the cylinder in vertical position at plane level and in a well-aired place. Second point, keep the lighter ready and then turn on the gas stove knob. Third point, keep the windows and doors open to ensure ventilation in case of gas leakage. Fourth one, always use ISI standard gas stoves, regulators and gas tubes. Next point, page number 68 la irukku. Do not operate electrical appliances with wet hands because it leads to electric shocks. Sixth point, do not keep the inflammable materials like kerosene etc. near the stoves. In case of person's clothes catching fire, cover the person with a thick blanket or carpet. Eighth point, if kerosene or oil catches fire, use sand to put out the fire. Next point, if solid materials like wood catch fire, use water to put out the fire. Next point, if an electrical appliance catches fire, unplug the appliances and disconnect the electricity. Last point, use proper fire extinguishers to put out the fire. இதுல ஒரு 11 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. black marks பண்ணிருக்கக்கூடிய சென்டென்ஸை மட்டும் லீவ் பண்ணிட்டு ரிமைனிங் சென்டென்ஸை நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்.